You're charged with the state jail felony offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle from November 17th of 2023. That indictment alleges that you were previously convicted of the third-degree felony of harassment by a person in a correctional facility, June 10th of 2016. And then after that was final, you were convicted of the third-degree felony offense of assault on a public servant, October 28th of 2019, in two different cases on that day. Which, and how do you plead to that charge? How do you plead to the unauthorized use of a motor vehicle? And are those prior convictions true? Did you enter your plea of guilty and true to those prior convictions freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because you actually did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Chapman's not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty and true, freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. Find those prior convictions true. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 3 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You'll receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm handing you the trial court certification. That shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read that written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
Which